This is the Ego LB6504 leaf blower kit, and this thing is awesome because you get this 56 volt blower with 650 cubic feet a minute of power, and you also get a 5 amp hour battery, and you get this standard Ego charger as well. What I really like about this blower is it's not too heavy. It weighs about 10 pounds with the battery on it, and you can expect to get up to an hour's worth of battery life out of it if you're using it in the low power mode. If you use it in the turbo mode, you'll get about 15 to 20 minutes with the 5 amp hour battery. What's nice about this is you get these interchangeable nozzles. So on the front you get this tapered nozzle, so you can use this to concentrate your power a little bit more. And there's also this flat nozzle if you have stuck on debris. This is a really great option to get it unstuck from your driveway. This blower does include a variable speed trigger, so if you just barely press down, it'll go in the slowest setting, and if you press harder on it, it'll go faster. And then if you want to get the maximum power, then you press the turbo button at the same time that you press the trigger. Also on the side of it, if you want to use a fixed setting, you have this knob, and you can set it as powerful as you want. And then the blower will just keep going. Really love this Ego 650 CFM blower. It does a great job at cleaning out the garage, getting grass out the sidewalk, or also just blowing leaves around too.